What if you could transform your financial life in just 2 weeks, not through luck or hype, but through strategy, discipline, mindset, and sharpened focus? What if turning a small sum into life-changing capital was possible through mastering the skill of crypto day trading? Today, we're diving deep into how you can go from zero to millionaire mindset and potentially results in 14 focus days. When I first heard the phrase day trading to million, it felt like clickbait. Yet behind the flashy headlines are real traders who approached the market with intention. They knew that consistent micro wins, when compounded, can become massive breakthroughs. And they didn't rely on chance. They relied on skill, risk management, and relentless learning. If you're tired of watching others succeed and ready to actually build something, this 14-day transformation blueprint is your ballast. 5 minutes a day, broken into critical lessons, and a daily record of real trades and reflections. Day 0 to 3, learning the language. If you don't speak crypto fluently, you're trading in the dark. So the first days are about mastering the language, candlestick patterns, volume spikes, support/resistance lines, MACD divergences, RSI overbought/oversold signals. These aren't abstract ideas. They're real triggers traders use to enter and exit trades microsecond precise. On day 3, I could interpret live charts with confidence, something most beginners bypass, and then pay for with poor decisions. Experience tip: use a free charting tool like TradingView. When you see a candlestick poke through support followed by a volume surge and RSI divergence, that's your signal. Journal it, track it, learn from it. Day 4 to 6, building the ritual. On day 4, I built my daily trading ritual. Open trading journal with 3 key entries: entry price, stop loss price, emotion at entry. Scan coins for news, chart setups, and volume abnormality. Select 1 to 3 setups max per session. Risk 1% per trade. Use a dynamic trailing stop loss. By day 6, I had completed 10 mock trades, logging mistakes, timing errors, emotional surges, and incorrect patterns. This ritual became my immune system against FOMO and chaos. Day 7 to 10, transition to live trades. Halfway in, I began trading live capital, but conservatively. I started with $100 only, risking $1 per trade, a handful of wins and losses, each recorded. A journal entry after each included: did price hit target? Did I panic when price moved against me? Did my stop loss trigger? These entries revealed the gap between knowledge and execution. Real trading wasn't just a calculator, it was emotion, timing, and resilience. Day 11 to 13, scaling precision and trust. Success in day trading comes not from bigger risk, but from better execution. During these days, I lowered the time frame on charts to 5 minutes and 15-minute sessions. I improved my stop-loss strategy. If the trade reached plus 1% gain, I shifted to break-even stop. I reduced overtrading by only entering a trade when all my signals aligned. Chart pattern plus volume plus sentiment. Margins of precision tightened. Instead of reckless chasing, I traded disciplined setups, and the gains showed: small profits, low drawdowns, consistent micro wins. Day 14, reflection, scaling, and strategy synthesis. On day 14, I looked back at every month's worth of mock and live trades. I counted profit days, these lost days. I calculated average risk/reward ratio. I identified emotional triggers where I deviated. The truth was clear: I didn't become a millionaire in 14 days. But I built the mental architecture of a trader who could become one. I had a replicable system, journaled reflections, and a process that removes guesswork. Why this framework works: finite time horizon. 2 weeks compresses motivation and declutters distractions. Skill over hope. Instead of betting big, you learn to trade small, smart, and repeat. Feedback loop. Journaling forces accountability. Every trade becomes a lesson. Emotional calibration. Trading is emotional regulation as much as technical skill. Yes, crypto markets are volatile. Stop losses hit. News derails setups. Yet every drawn-out lesson becomes the bedrock of deeper wisdom. Who this is for and who it's not. This process isn't for everyone. It's for those who are serious about learning fast, who want measurable results in 2 weeks, and who can commit 30 to 60 minutes per day. If you're hoping to get rich on luck, this isn't it. But if you're eager to, trade with plan, not impulse. Master chart analysis. Learn professional trade journaling. Consistently manage risk. Then this 14-day guide could change your trajectory. Your next move. If this breakdown resonated with you, here's how to step in smart. Subscribe to this channel. We cover mindset, charts, risk strategy, emotional discipline, and live sessions every week. Like this video if it shifted your perspective. If we spread value, it helps more people find structured transformation, not hype. Share it with someone who's ready to learn how investing isn't fortune, it's commitment. Comment below. Which area feels toughest to master? Charts, execution, or emotion? What tool would you like us to break down next? Are you starting from zero or picking back up? Your journey, your feedback, shapes the next lessons in this series. By day 14, my account wasn't in 6 figures, but that wasn't the point. I had a proven method. I glimpsed the capability within consistent execution. I realized the transformation wasn't the account balance, it was the learner inside. You don't need to be born into wealth to become wealthy. You need structure, clarity, discipline, and consistency. That's how 1% edges compound. That's how smart trading becomes sustainable revenue. Check the links in the description. These trusted resources can help accelerate your journey to financial freedom, from mastering crypto gains to building long-term wealth. If you're done watching from the sidelines and ready to build your financial confidence day by day, click subscribe, dive into this series, and let's move from hypothetical to repeatable results. Your payoff starts with a single trade done with clarity. Make it yours. Disclaimer: this content is my personal opinion and is intended for general information purposes only, not financial advice. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the speaker, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Purchasing cryptocurrencies poses a considerable risk of loss. The speaker will not be held responsible for any losses or gains. Always do your own research and advise a professional before making your own investments.